Hello all, welcome to my channel No Biology. In this video, I'm going to explain about crop production and management. This chapter I have taken from class 8 science Cbse syllabus. After watching this video, you will be able to know what is agriculture, how did it all start, what is modern agriculture, what is crop, and about types of crops. So let's start. Human being cannot make its own food. It feeds on plants or other animals. The science which deals with growing plants and raising livestock is called as agriculture. In broad sense, it includes soil management, crop farming, horticulture, and animal husbandry. Soil management is preparation of the soil for growing crops. Crop farming means growing and harvesting of the crop. Growing vegetable, flower, decorative plants comes under horticulture. Animal husbandry is breeding and raising of the livestock. Before, human being used to live in forest. It was wandering from one place to other place for food and shelter. About 10,000 years ago, it started growing plants. So now human no longer had to wander around in search of food. They could settle down in one place. They also started domesticating animals for food and other purposes. So agriculture made possible for a larger population to stay in one place. Let us see what is modern agriculture. Now the challenge was to grow more and better crops for the increasing population. So over the years, human learnt about the condition how to grow crops. That means it came to know about different kind of soil, importance of water and the irrigation system. So it constructed dams and canals and also started using different tools like sickle and axes, also big machines like tractor, utilized fertilizer and pesticide to make sure that nutrition and protection to the plant is done. Knowledge about insect resistant, pest resistant and high yielding varieties of plant gave him opportunity to grow more and better qualities of plant in lesser time. Let us see what is crop. The plants which are grown in large quantities in a field is called as crop. And crop classified based on their product obtained, based on season and based on life cycle. Based on product obtained, the cereals. Cereals are the source of carbohydrate, that means instant source of energy. So most part of the world uses cereal as the staple food. Example is wheat, corn, maize, rice and ragi. Apart from carbohydrate, it also contains vitamins, minerals and fibers. Pulses are those which gives proteins like gram, peas and beans. Some crops are called as root and tuber crops as the root and tuber part of the plant is used as vegetables. Mustard and groundnut are called oilseed crops because it gives oils. Do you know any other oilseed crop? Please write in the comment box. Sugar crops are those which give sugar, such as sugarcane. Coffee, tea, coconut, rubber are called as plantation crops. Gossypium and jute, which gives fiber, are called as fiber crops. Crops can also be divided based on season, that is Kharif crop and Rabi crop. Kharif crop, also called as summer crop, which are grown between June and July. They are harvested by September or October. The example of Kharif crop is rice, maize, cotton, beans. Some crops which are grown in winter are called as Rabi crops. So they are grown in between October and November and harvested by March and April. Wheat, mustard are certain example of Rabi crop. Based on life cycle, crops are divided into annual, biennial and perennial. Annual crops are those which takes one growing season to complete their life cycle. That means seed can germinate and it gives sapling, and from sapling it grows up and bears flowers and fruits. Again, its seed can be obtained from these fruits. Everything happens in one season, whereas biennials takes 2 seasons to complete their life cycle. In the first season, it does photosynthesis and stores its food in the root. In the second season, they take this energy from the food and grows flowers and fruits. Carrot is an example of biennial plant. Some plants live more than 2 seasons and they are called as perennials. They continue to produce seeds whole of their life. Example is apple, banana, mangoes. Thanks for watching the video. Next video will take up agricultural practices.